A website could be the best way to make money online. If you have a popular website with good content value, then you can earn unlimited money. You even can't imagine the figure. You can make money with a website in various methods. But Google AdSense and affiliate marketing are the most popular methods. If your website is monetized and has an average of 100,000 page views per month, then you can earn more than $10,000 per month. With affiliate marketing, you can earn even more. For example, your website is about automotive accessories and has an average of 100,000 page views per month. If we count an average conversion rate of 5%, then your monthly sales will be around 5,000. In automotive products, Amazon gives a 4.5% commission rate. If your product price is estimated at $2,000, then your monthly net income will be estimated at $420,000. Isn't it unbelievable? Believe it or not, many websites are making more than your imagination. But there is a problem. You won't be able to bring 100 visitors to your website if your website content is not valuable and search engine optimized. Because most of the visitors come from search results. And if your website content is not SEO friendly or SEO optimized, then your website won't rank on search results, and you won't get any viewers. That's why many websites don't get success. A few days ago, I started researching this topic. I researched a lot about how to write a valuable blog post and make it SEO friendly. After long research, I found the solution. You won't believe that I found an AI tool that can create high-quality blog posts, and most importantly, the articles were highly SEO optimized. Even you can create over 1,000 high-quality and SEO-friendly blog posts in just a few minutes. In today's video, I am going to share my experience. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Introducing SEO Writing AI, the all-in-one tool for blog writing. With this tool, you can create original, high-quality, and SEO-friendly web content. It's really a gold digger for any article or blog writer. Let's start our blog writing journey. Click on the Get Started It's Free button. This is the SEO Writing AI dashboard. There are several options for creating blog posts. You can create the perfect article using only the title and publish the article in just one click. Then the bulk article generation tool. With this tool, you can create up to 100 articles and publish them on your WordPress article in just one click. Alright friends, today I will explore one-click blog post and bulk article generation tool. Let's start with one-click blog post generation tool. You have to enter your main keyword here. Suppose I want to create a blog post on homemade cake. And homemade cake is my main keyword. I will put my main keyword as homemade cake. You can write a title of your post or can generate a clickable title with AI. I will use AI to generate the title. So, I am clicking on Generate Title. From here. That's really a catchy and clickable title. In the next step, we have to select our language. You can generate a blog post in over 50 languages. I will generate an article in the English language with a US accent. Then the article size. There are 3 options available here. In small size, your article will be 1,200 to 2,400 words in length. In the medium size, it will be 2,400 and 3,600 words long, and in the large size, the article length will estimated at 3,600 to 5,200 words. I will select the medium size. Alright, let's move forward. Now select the tone of voice. There are so many tones available here. I will suggest using professional or informal options. Then select the point of view. I will select the first person singular. Because I want to create the article as my point of view. After that, the targeted country. This will help with SEO ranking in the selected country. Okay, the next step is image generation. SEO Writing is also capable of generating related images for your blog post. That means you don't need to buy stock images or no need to pay image generator like Midjourney. Let's look at the image placement settings. You can place images after only the heading 1 or in every section. I will select in every section, because it will make the post more eye-catching and engaging. You can change the image quality. I will keep it high quality. Then select the image style. There are a vast number of image styles available, including photo, anime, cartoon, cinematic, cyberpunk, fantasy, and more. I will select the photo style. Alright, after completing the image setting, come to the SEO setting. SEO setting is one of the most important parts of blog writing. It will help to rank on search results. If you have the keywords for your article, then you can paste them here. If you don't know about keyword research, don't worry, SEO Writing will research keywords for you. Just click on NLP Keyword Generation. You can enter or generate 50 keywords here. Alright, after all is set, let's move on to the next step. In the next step, you can customize the structure of your content. In my point of view, all of these points are beneficiary for any blog post and they are enabled. I won't change anything from here. Then it's an advanced setting. If you want to know more about it, let me know in the comments section, and I will make a separate video on it. This time I will skip this part. Okay, in the next step, you can integrate SEO Writing AI with your WordPress website. If you integrate SEO Writing with your WordPress website, you will able to post AI-generated content directly on your website. You have to just install the SEO Writing plugins on your website. You can connect with your OpenAI API. In the next step, select the quality. At this moment you can generate blog articles with GPT-3 and GPT-4. Only GPT and more are coming soon. Alright, all of our configuration is completed. Now navigate to the top and hit the run button, and AI will start to create the blog post for us. It will take some time. Let's fast forward this part. Alright, our blog post has been generated. Let's have a look at the post. Look at the quality of this article. Tell me one thing honestly. Can you imagine this article being generated by AI within a few minutes? Share your honest opinion in the comments section. If you think it's helpful, then share this video with your friends. Dear friends, the wonder is not finished yet. There is another surprise for you. Like this article, you can generate up to 100 articles in just one click. Sound unbelievable? With this bulk generation tool, you can generate up to 100 articles. Just enter or upload your keywords here. Do some customization like the first one and boom, your articles are ready. There are some advanced options available here, which can't be shared in one video. If you are interested to know about more advanced features, then let me know in the comments section. I will try to explain all of them in the next video. Now let's talk about the pricing. You can use a free version. In the free version, you can generate 5 articles in 5,000 words with all other features. In the Pro version, you can generate 50 to 2,500 articles per month. You have to pay only $12 to $129 per month. You can use the coupon code AI Lockup 25 to get a 25% discount. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with creating blog posts with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!